Okay, like I specified before about making sure the terminals have low resistance, now I connected it to the negative. And like I said before, always do negative first and then positive, but for this demonstration, I left it like this. Anyway, you can see I have the meter, multimeter for ohms. I'm measuring from here, the whole cable, and I'm measuring 0.4 ohms after I had to clean it up. So therefore, like I always say, make sure from the post or wherever you want, make sure you here, I'm going right to the post, wherever you go here, make sure, let me make connection here. Make sure you have a good connection, low resistance. If you have resistance, it's like a resistor in series. And what happens when that happens? You have a voltage drop. This is, most of the time, these are the problems, corrosion on these top post batteries. See you in the next video.